Hi everyone, I hope you hi-fi people are doing well today. I just wanted to share a little bit about this Marantz 1060 integrated amplifier, which was built between 1971 and 1978. It's one of Marantz's baby integrated amplifiers because it's only 30 watts per channel. But this is a very special model made by Marantz, and it can handle very demanding speakers. I've used this with bookshelf speakers up to 50 watts. I've used this with bookshelf speakers up to 100 watts. And I've also used this with floor standing 4-ohm speakers, which I think I've mentioned in one of my videos. The Jammo D590 200 watts speakers. This baby amplifier can really impress any music lover for its performance. It also came in with a wood case, like I've also mentioned. Many Marantz amplifiers, receivers, integrated amplifiers, cassette decks, they had this wood case. Mine doesn't. Despite the conservative power rating, it can outperform even 100 watts amplifier made by, let's say, any other. I can challenge any other amplifier with this one. Superior quality, the professional touch that this machine has. As you can see, there are 3 potentiometers, bass, treble, but there's mid as well. This is one of not only Marantz features, but other well-built amplifiers and integrated amplifiers and receivers. They include this potentiometer for the mid-range. Not that I'm using it, but sometimes you do want to sort of boost the mid-range in a particular type of music that you're listening to. What else can I say about this? Ideally, this amplifier is not going to perform well in a large room, but up to, let's say, 25 square feet room, this is more than sufficient. I mean, even 10 watts is what we usually hear when we're blasting music. So this is just to give you a look at how does 1971 to 1977 Marantz 1060. Oh yes, there's one thing I have read about this, and the design is like many transistor amplifiers in the early 70s, where there was something that they called a capacitor coupled amplifier. This was something in the design which this amplifier has, and many other amplifiers built in the early 70s had capacitor coupled configuration. And then in the mid 70s and late 70s, it was then direct coupled. So I'm not sure, but people like the quality of this particular integrated amplifier for the design build quality. Yes, it's got that Marantz warm, heavy bass, bassy, meaty, beefy amplification. But I think You can comment if you want on this and correct me, but I think it's got something to do with the capacitor coupled design, which later on even Marantz in the late 70s, they had direct coupled amplifiers. Uh, the mighty powerful ones of course still sound good, but this, for its size, for its power, 30 watts per channel, I use the preamplifier section as mentioned in a video, because I've connected this to the Marantz 250M, which is 126 watts per channel amplifier, power amp. This also has a very good preamp section. The phono option, which is a phono stage preamp for a turntable, is of a very good quality. My turntable sounds far superior through this preamp as opposed to the external preamp that I have. So I'm enjoying the preamp section of this integrated amplifier to manage the tuner, cassette decks and turntable. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks and take care.